This is Flypie Drone 6K Pro. The camera uses Ambarella flagship image processing chip with a SONY 1-inch CMOS sensor. Support for 6K resolution. 10-bit color depth video file. 4x digital zoom. And smart shift zoom. A 6-cell battery for up to 45 minutes of flight time. 10 km 1080p transmission to make a better photo. 400 million pixels and 720-degree panorama. This power and performance are coupled with a variety of dynamic shooting modes and other capabilities that help you achieve cinematic results.